I use choice boards in my classroom to help students with differentiation and to vary instructional strategies for them. They're grouped by their reading levels, and then they have a chance to pick choices off the board that would best suit
In my
them.
science classroom, I use cooperative learning, such as PBLs, which is project-based learning, hands-on activities, and also computer simulations to address as many needs as possible for the kids in their learning.
One of the most effective teaching techniques that I use in my classroom is the think, pair, share grouping with the students. What I like to do is present them with a question and have them think about it for 2 to 3 minutes and get some ideas down on paper. They then pair off with a partner, which is pre-assigned. We like to have a grouping of a stronger student with a weaker student. And then they will discuss what they've written down, perhaps come up with some new ideas, and then share those with the entire group. So with the pairing, we find that the students are able to assist each other and through teamwork come up with better and more effective solutions.
This year, I, for the first time, used Cornell Notes. In my honors class, I gave them the objectives that they needed to obtain from their book, and they were able to read through the chapter and find the answers to the objectives on the Cornell Notes. The students said they enjoyed using these notes because it gave them the opportunity to write notes in their own way, which was best for them to be able to use to study. I had some students highlight the key points, vocabulary terms. Others said they'd rather write it in a paragraph form. And at the bottom of the Cornell Notes, then they had to summarize what they wrote on the page. There were some students, however, who did not like the Cornell Notes, so they had an outline that they had to write. This provided students with different ways to learn the same type of information that best suited them. In my regular ed biology classes, I then taught my students how to use the Cornell Notes in the same manner, and a lot of them enjoyed it for the same reasons. It helped them to study and to actually learn the information because it forced them to read through the section on their own and grasp the key points that they needed to know.
Bam!